Fully renovated in 2024, no detail was missed. All you need to do is move in. 2 huge 17 by 11 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Large great room. Amazing kitchen with Isalnd and separate dining room leads to fully fenced rear yard with private shed. 2024 renovation include, new roof. All electrical updated, all switches and outlets, inside and out. Ceiling fans with remotes, dimming lights and fan control in living room, front and back upstairs bedrooms upstairs. New lighting throughout. All new stainless steel appliances. New garbage disposal.New granite countertops, sink, and faucet with all updated plumbing. New patio slider door off dining room. New steel entry front door with updated lock and deadbolt. New front storm door. New paint throughout. New LVP flooring throughout. New carpeting on stairs and upstairs hall, bedrooms, closets. All new updated brushed nickel door hardware and hinges throughout. All updated new faucets and plumbing in bathrooms, vanity and tub/showers. New toilets and plumbing in both bathrooms. All new accessory hardware in both bathrooms. New exhaust fans in each bathroom. Updated carbon monoxide/smoke detectors throughout. Freshly painted wood barn shed in backyard. Updated gate hinge on back.